Tortoise Capital 30-minute hybrid swing portfolio speed run. End of the day, July 17th, 2023. Alcoa, the COTA 2, 2R. AI, COTA 2, 2R. Caterpillar, still open with the emerging dragon, holding about 1R. Cliff Natural Resources, COTA 2, still holding it, about 1R. CVS, collapsing dragon short, failed, minus half R. Dish Network, we closed the collapsing dragon short for 4R. Devon Energy, we added a second position short, but scratched that in the entire position on failure to fail further for about 2R. We closed the Electronic Arts emerging dragon breakout for 8R on the third leg up. This felt like it was too much. Emerging markets, no trade, although I think that's setting up for tomorrow. Ethereum, missed the short. This was a great intraday trade. EWW, collapsing dragon short, scratched. I held it too long. Should have taken the stop at the edge of the dragon. Brazil, supported spring crossing, holding 1R. Intel, we closed the short position on the collapsing dragon for a half an hour, stopped and reversed the SSC, supported spring crossing, second position on the emerging dragon, holding 3R. International paper, short on the collapsing dragon, holding half R. IYR, no trade. Regional banks, SSC, holding 1. Mattel, COTA 2 re-entry, holding a half. McDonald's tried a COTA 2, got no lose plus dinner for 2. This looks like it could be failing big time tomorrow. Merck short on the collapsing dragon, holding 1. Microsoft COTA 2, holding a scratch. Marijuana ETF, collapsing dragon, holding 4. It started to recover in the last 30 minutes. I thought I'd just hold it, or I thought I'd just cash it for 4. Nvidia SSC, holding 2. Clean Energy cashed 3R on a COTA 2. Rivian, collapsing dragon short, no lose dinner for 2. SPY pushed to a new 30-day high. Treasuries, I missed the COTA 2. That one could be interesting tomorrow. Critical state. Tesla, we tried the emerging dragon breakout, scratched it, then re-entered it an hour later, holding plus 2. And US Steel, COTA 2, cashed and no lose plus dinner for 2. That's your speed run for July 17th, 2020.